Hi, I'm Palitha Ranasinghe from Strategic Brands. I'm glad that I was be able to part of this MDP program this time, as it was very well structured program, as I was able to learn about so many things. Most importantly, how you deal with office politics and how you do your problem solving using 6 hats, and how you improve your own performance mentally and physically. And thank you very much my boss for nominating me for this program. Not forgetting Nirosan for wonderful job that he has done in outlining this program. Thank you.
Well, for me personally and professionally, it was an eye-opening. So I must be thankful to the organization and management for giving me that opportunity. Thank you.
Hi, I am Sajid from Planning. MDP program was a very interesting program. It was a game changer for me. I would like to thank management for giving this opportunity for me and keeping trust in me. Thank you.
Hi, I am Indika from Noyon Lanka. At the beginning, this program helped us to understand our strengths and weaknesses. Then it really helped us to make a development plan to overcome our weaknesses. Teaching techniques of this program is very interesting and it really helped us to develop our career path. I take this opportunity to thank both MEs and Noyon Lanka for nominating me for MDP 2014 program. Thank you.
Can you believe how 8 days can make person's life change? Yes, it was a mirror me to change my life. I had to change my lifestyle, thinking pattern, and overcome many more challenges. Now, I'm ready to take a leadership, to share all these what I learned to my team and go forward. Special thanks goes to the HR and my top management for selecting me for the MDP 2014. It was an amazing program to me. I'm Nalin Okartha from Nike Business Division. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Devendra Singh. It was great opportunity to be the part of MDP 2014. I truly believe that it broadened the way I think, the way I speak, and the way I act on the different occasions. Thanks MS for sharpening me right towards being the best. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Anika from MS Active Divisional HR. The MDP gave me the opportunity to meet a lot of new people as well as broaden my horizons. Mostly the MDP also gave us the confidence and belief in ourselves, as it also helped us to believe in the saying, you can do anything that you put your mind to. So thank you for nominating me for the MDP 2014.
I am Banu from Embellishment Operations team. Actually, I'd like to thank MS Active management and my immediate boss Dulipa to giving me opportunity to participate MDP 2014. It was extremely benefited for me to develop my career. So this is my time to do something new for my company. Thank you.
Well, I felt MDP has been crafted for each and individual, even though if it is a team activity. Personally, I discovered some of my blind spots in my personal and professional life. I think I'm ready to take new challenges and climb up. I thank you MS Active and my boss for believing in me and nominating me for the MDP program. Thank you very much.
Hi, I am Indika from the MO Central team. I am so thankful to Dinesh for nominating for the Management Development Program 2014. The program helped me to improve many things, but especially to identify people's strengths and weaknesses in the workplace in order to work effectively as a team. Thank you very much.
Hi, I am Sajid Dhanansurya. First of all, thank you very much MS Active for sending me for the MDP. It was a pleasure training program for me. I learnt a lot and I had real fun with the team during the course of training. I want to point out one thing here that is a very important lesson I learned during the program. So that is how to understand and how to figure out a person. It was really helped me to understand myself first and others who work with me. I feel it is working now, and also I strongly believe so that will be really help me in future to work with others with real understanding. Thank you.
I am Chandika Pereira from Central MOS team. I am so thankful to MAS for selecting me for this MDP program. It really helped me to develop my skills in applying for my day-to-day work.